is Karmin Ghia. I posted this on a YouTube Shorts video a while ago if you saw that, but if you haven't, go through, check it out. The thing's cool. It's hard to get in and out of because it's so little, but it's definitely a very well done car. It's, you know, it's nice. It's a hot rod. It's got a small block Chevy in the front. Now these things originally, being Volkswagen, were a rear engine car, but just mostly a showpiece. You know, nothing, not meant to produce big power wasn't its goal here, right? Just a good, cool looking, unique cruiser, and it fits that bill very well. Look, we've got some drivability issues I'm working through with it. I'm gonna try to sort those out. Put the timing light on it first, and see if the fueling's close at full throttle, get the jetting in the ballpark, and then try to sort out some of the transitional throttle stuff, get the idle mixture screws set, all that kind of thing. I've already gone through and set the floats, started the process a little bit before my video today, but that's okay. So I'm gonna dive into this thing, see what it makes, and see if I can sort out the drivability. Made 258 foot-pounds of torque, 227 horsepower, made peak power about 5,200. See by the curve there. Again, this thing wasn't intended to be a powerhouse, right? Just a good cruiser. You hear the stumble as I'm rolling onto the throttle there. I haven't been able to sort that out. So I put the thing in drive and ran the carburetor out here to watch to see what was going on. I noticed the float level dropping. So I looked at the fuel pressure gauge, and I couldn't get it to go above 5.5 pounds of fuel pressure at idle, which, if you're familiar with a Holley type carburetor, they're typically, you know, 5.5 to 7 or even 8 on the high end. Well, what I noticed when I ran the throttle externally and watched the fuel pressure gauge, it wouldn't make more than 3 when it was running down the road. So I was able to get the jetting okay at full throttle. I actually had to pull a little jet out of it, which is odd because the fuel pressure was, you know, certainly low down there. But was able to get that close and couldn't get that lean stumble out of it. I noticed the fuel pressure was all the way down to 3 pounds. We're going to call it a day. He's going to sort the fuel system out and bring it back, and hopefully then we can get a better idea of the drivability issues with this thing, if there still are any. Obviously, the jetting at full throttle is going to have to be changed once it has 4 more pounds of fuel pressure. That is 60% more fuel pressure. So, but yeah, that's it for this thing. I'm going to get it off of here and work on the next project.